Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make low-calorie pancakes. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on whole grains and lean proteins. Next, prepare your batter by mixing dry and wet components separately before combining them gently. Ensure your cooking surface is properly heated to achieve a golden brown finish. Finally, serve immediately with your favorite healthy toppings for a delightful breakfast. Making smart ingredient swaps is key to reducing calories without sacrificing flavor. Opt for whole wheat or oat flour, which adds beneficial fiber and nutrients. Instead of traditional milk, choose unsweetened almond milk, saving a significant number of calories per serving. For sweetness, natural alternatives like stevia or a small amount of mashed banana work wonderfully, keeping added sugars low. The way you cook your pancakes also impacts their calorie count. A good quality nonstick pan allows you to use very little oil or even just a cooking spray, cutting down on unnecessary fats. Cook your pancakes over medium heat. This ensures they cook through evenly without burning, giving them a perfect texture. Measuring about 1/4 cup of batter per pancake helps maintain consistent portion sizes. Now for the best part, toppings. Fresh berries, like blueberries or raspberries, add natural sweetness and antioxidants without many calories. A 0-calorie maple syrup alternative or a spoonful of plain Greek yogurt can also elevate your pancakes. Don't forget a sprinkle of cinnamon or a few chopped nuts for texture and flavor. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, low-calorie breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.